Fashionable team. So we were getting a lot of requests from the users that we should make a video on how to publish a post on the Fashionable website. So I am here to help you out in this topic. So let's get started. So you have to open down any type of a browser, like I am opening down my Chrome browser, and search it down freshly built. Freshly built. You can directly open it, or you can just search it down on the Google search bar. So you just have to select the first URL on the Google search engine, select it down. Wait for the few seconds so that page can be loaded. So your local screen will look like this. So you have to scroll it down to get an option for the login. So here is the login option. You have to click on the continue with Google option to log in into our website. If you don't have any account on the Fashionable website till now, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to select this option. It will automatically open and pop up window to select an Gmail ID. Yeah, so you have to just select an Gmail ID. Don't worry about it. If you don't have any account on the Fashionable till yet, it will automatically create your account on the Fashionable website with just a single click. If you have, then it's very good, and you just have to select your Gmail ID for the account on the Fashionable website. So I am selecting down my Gmail ID. So wait for the few seconds so that we should log in into our platform. Yeah, so if you see only 4 options after login also, then you just have to refresh the page. Yeah, as you can see, you have logged in into our website. So you just have to click on the dashboard button so that you can try to post using the dashboard. So select down the dashboard option in the top bar. There are lots of different options also, but you just have to select the dashboard option. So your dashboards will look like this in your local screen. So for writing down a new post, you just have to hover on the post option. It will give you a 2 option, old post and add new. So click on the add new option and wait for the few seconds to open down a page for you so that you can write your new post. Yeah, so page has been opened. So you just have to write the title that you want to give to your post. So like I am giving a post title of text 1. And then you will find 2 different options. You have to click on the use standard editor, click on that. Yeah, so your standard editor will look like this. You don't have to worry about it. You should, if you want to write some paragraph like hello world, how are you, and click or press the enter button for the next block. So yeah, so there can be a possibility that you want to make some part of a paragraph italic. So you just have to select it down and click on the italic option. It will make the text as an italic. If you want to make an selected text as a bold, so you just have to click on the bold. If you want to add some link to it, just copy and paste the URL into it. So and you can, and then you can have some possibility that you would require to embed it some kind of a YouTube post into your technical content. So you just have to click on the add block button. button. It is the most important feature on the dashboard. So it will provide you in different option whatever you want to embed it or you want to use into the dashboard. So you just have to click on it, search it down YouTube. Yeah, it will provides you a new option for the YouTube. Click on that, then you just have to go down to a YouTube video, something like this. Copy and just copy it down your URL and paste it down here. Click on the embed button. It will take few seconds and it will embed your YouTube video into the post. So you just have to wait for the few seconds. Yeah. So yeah, so it can possibility there that YouTube will not be embedded. It can show you in some error, so don't worry about it. If you publish the post, it will automatically embed the post. You can also have a preview. If you want to have a preview, just click on the preview button, click on that. It will take few seconds to create a preview for you. Just wait for the few seconds. Till that time I can teach you one more thing. Yeah, if you want to add some heading, to it, but you have written as a paragraph, so don't worry about it. You can also change the type of a things using, and you just have to click on this option, change the block type and make it into the subheading. You can also change the different different heading types, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, so our preview has been generated. As you can see, our YouTube videos has been automatically embedded into our post, so don't worry about it. As you can see, our selected part is get italic and bold also, so you don't have to worry any about thing. So just go back to your previous dashboard. Yeah, so there can possibility that you want to add some type of a language code to the technical post, so don't worry about it. You just have to click on the add block button. It is the most important thing, where it will provide you an option whatever you want to like. If you want to add some technical code to the post, so you just have to search it down and write a source code and select that option, and you just have to write down your code here. Like I am writing down Python hello world program. Yeah, so if you want to have a preview one more time, you just have to click on the preview button. It will take few seconds and automatically generate some fresh preview for you. So till that time we can move back to our dashboard. Yeah, so as you can see, preview has been generated. Yeah, so this is our hello world program. As you can see, this is a separate code editor embedded into your post, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to copy and paste down your technical code into the Enlighten source code, and that's all. So one more thing, you can have a possibility or requirement that you want to embed it and Twitter post into the content. So you just have to write it down Twitter, click embed, select the Twitter embed option, copy down your Twitter post URL and click it down, press enter. It will take few seconds and embedded your tweet into the post, so you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, so yeah, for making and some type of content more interactive, so you can have a requirement to add some type of a GIF to the post. So you just have to click on that button, search it down GIF, select the GIF option, write down the keyword whatever you like or whatever you want, click down the enter. and just select it down your GIF, whatever you want to embed it into the post. So you don't have to search it down in the new tab and then copy and paste and then upload it. You can ignore that process. You can directly embed the GIF into your post using this dashboard. It is a very useful dashboard. So you can also get an idea what is your content is structure of the post. So our post has 10 words and our document outline look like this, and you can see one heading. Our post contain one heading, one paragraph, say, and 6 block. So one more thing, yeah. If you want to customize this header into some custom header, so we also provide you an option to customize this header with just a simple click, right? Just scroll it down and you have to click on the set featured image. You can upload your image by clicking on the upload file options and then clicking on the select file, or you can just click down on the media library and select the previous gallery. Just click it down, yeah. So if you generate an preview, so you can see your post header will be your set featured image. So you just have to wait for the few seconds and it will generate and latest preview for it. Yeah, you can see an GIF header for your post. So you can customize your headers. You don't have to worry about it. As you can see, our Twitter account, our tweet post has been embedded to the system, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. So moving forward, so this is one more important feature that our dashboard provides to you. You can customize your URL. Like if you want to give some URL different from the topic, you can change the value here in this text box, so you don't worry about the customization part of the URL. And yeah, one more thing, there is an option for the tag. It is the most important option. This things helps the Googles to let your post categorize into some category. Like if you are writing some post on the Python, so you just have to write Python. It will help down the Google to categorize your post into the Python section. So don't forget to add the tag into your post. So if you want to add some if you want to publish your post without without any review process of by the admin, you just have to click on the publish button. It will, within a few seconds, it will publish your post on the freshly built platform, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. So one more thing, it also have autosave feature, so you don't have to worry about the autosaving. Sometime if your connection they get disconnected between the post writing, so you don't have to worry about it. It have a auto save option. So yeah, so there can be one possibility that you want to edit some your previous post, so you just have to hover on the post button and click down on the whole post. It will give you a warning, so don't worry about it. So just wait for the few seconds. Yeah, so as you can see, it is giving you a complete list of all your posts. As you can see, you can also sort the post based on the different post views. So you can also sort your list based on the post views. Yeah, like this. For example, you want to edit your post previous post, so just click on the edit button. It will open down your previous post or whatever post you have selected to for the editing. So you just have to click on the edit button. So Yeah, as you can see, we have added this post some few minutes ago. So one more thing, just taken one example. Yeah, yeah, you sometime it can be possibility that you want to edit some author bio. I'm here means to that I just wait for a few seconds. I will give you an example. What does the author bio means? So yeah, if you want something this type of a line in your content, so you just have to you we our dashboard also provides you an option to change this line. You just have to click on the profile, click on the your profile option, and scroll down your web page. Yeah, yeah, you can add your bio at this stage, this text box area. So and whatever you how are you like uh, I am from Presley build team. So and if I want to save it down, so you just have to click on the update profile option, and it will update the bio on the all your post. Yeah, one more thing. If you want to share all your post with a single link, then you just have to click on the post button. It will let you move to a page where you can find a list of all your posts. So if you want to share all your posts with just a single link, you just have to click on the post button, and it will automatically move you out to the post option. Yeah, so there are some more user profile options. You can explore it out. You can change the display name, and you can also add your LinkedIn profile, YouTube, Twitter name, whatever things you want to. So, so I'm ending down this demo session. So thanks for giving your time, your precious time to our platform, and we hope I'm able to solve your problem. If you find any problem, just comment it down in the YouTube section. I will try to comment out all type of queries that you have. So just comment down your queries on the YouTube comment. I will try to answer all that query. Thank you and have a nice day. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel freshlybuilt.com. Thank you and have a nice day.